During the install process in the other video, we glimpsed over the topic of fixed IP. When you have a fixed IP, that IP never changes. For certain equipment, it doesn't make a difference, but servers normally should have a fixed IP. There are many methods of how you can distribute a fixed IP. Sometimes you can link it to the MAC address of that machine. In my case, I'm going to hard code that into the machine's network interface. The first thing I need to do is display my network info. I have my adapter name, my IP address. Take note of them because we're going to make use of them later on. The next thing I need to do is to find out what is the name of the file that holds this configuration. And that is found in /etc/netplan. There's one file. You'll notice that it is a YAML file. And one comment about YAML files is that they are sensitive to spaces. So an extra space or a missing space can break the file. I'm going to gut this file and I'm going to paste this script instead. First thing I need to do is replace the adapter name. In my case, I'm going to keep the same IP address. Everything else remains the same. Do note that where there are these comments will need to be altered by yourselves. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment. In my particular network, everything is ranged. Servers have a group of IP addresses, IoT devices have another group, and everything is subdivided. We're good here. We're going to save this file. What we need to do now is to check out whether the file is properly configured and the configuration was accepted. If there were errors, they would show, and now we're going to apply them. If I look, you will see that the IP in my case hasn't changed, but if you change the IP, what will happen is that Patty will lose the connection, and all you have to do is connect again to this machine